Hey everyone, welcome back. And today, I thought of showing you how to get the code from our videos. Okay, so a lot of people were asking that. I'll just share you some requests from our community, and then we'll discuss on that one. Okay, so I thought of covering this in yesterday's live session, but I couldn't do that. Okay, so today we'll just start with this one. So if you're new to the channel, click on the link above. So make sure you watch all the videos in the interview playlist. Okay, so that no note down that. Okay, we'll just start today. So see, there were like different mails. Okay, so first one, give us the use case documents. Okay, so people want the coding actually. Okay, so if you want that, I will show you demo. Okay, by using a Gemini. Okay, I think you can use that. Okay, right now if you're watching this video, you can click on the Gemini symbol. Okay, and then you can ask AI like what this guy is doing. Okay, so what this person is doing, like how is he explaining, or what's the conclusion, what's the intro and everything. Okay, so that will be covered here. Okay, so that's how you enter into any videos and then get the code. Okay, I will just share you the prompt. Okay, so that's first one. Okay, and second one is that some live sessions PPT. Okay, so including theory. Okay, see whatever you find useful, if you want that, just mail us. Okay, so mail us. We will just send you back. Okay, so recently some people they just mailed us, so I'll just we'll just send those PPT. Okay, so the live session PPT. So and for other doubts. Okay, suppose if you want, if you have some use cases, just cross check whether it's already already we have solved this or not. Okay, so just verify your cross check whatever you have in your hand, and then go through our playlist. Okay, so that's important. So because like we are, so for example, we already covered cricket scenarios. Okay, so cricket over scenarios and everything. So you just have to go to the roller playlist and then find out that cricket what are the use case. Okay, so just browse through that. Okay, and then finally if you want some of the like some of the services that we provide. Okay, so for now the course is nothing but interview preparation. Okay, so not the entire one. Okay, not the entire Abinitio training, not that, but only the interview preparation. Okay, and then like if you want some mock interviews, or if you want some career career guidance. Okay, so in that case, like I will just attach the forms. Okay, so you just find this and then fill. Okay, fill up. Okay, so fill up and then our team will reach out to you. Okay, so that's it. So for this I'll just show you the demo. Okay, so then we can wind up quickly today. Okay, so I don't have anything today, so just just demo I'm going to show. Okay, because like so many people they were asking about give us a document and everything. Okay, so we have a lot of documents like separated here and there, and then okay, so like we didn't compare it now. Okay, so I'll just show you the live demo on this one. Okay, so that you can help yourself. Okay, so okay, help yourself. Okay, okay, so we'll just jump to that video. Okay, so here we are in this channel. Okay, so you can browse through all the videos here. Okay, so and then we can locate whatever use cases that you are interested in. Okay, for example, if you want a simple reformat, or if you want a complex problem. Okay, whatever you feel, you just can click through this video. So for now I'm just clicking on this one. Okay, expanding the number range. So we have posted this 2 days back, and then it's related to the normalize. Okay, so it's a simple normalize using length function. So you can simply ask AI button. Okay, so bottom down, like we have ask button. Okay, yeah, I think if you're using laptop, I think it may be visible for you. Even I think using a mobile, I think we have that update. Okay, so in this chatbot you can print that. Okay, you can use the simple prompt. So for now I'm just using please print like that. Okay, so suppose if you're a junior, or like experience, like if you want to go through videos, you can go through. If you're a senior, you can just if you straight away want the code, you can use this prompt. Okay, so I'll just paste it here. Please print print me the like all the code. Okay, so covered in this video. Okay, so and we'll just try this. Okay, so that we'll just check whether it's giving us the length and then normalize function and normalize code. Okay, so we have to get both. Okay, both length and normalize. So I'll just try it again. Okay, so here at this yeah, at this point. Okay, so we have this discussed here. So I'll just try it again. Okay, so I'll just paste that again here. Okay, sometimes it will go wrong. Okay, something went wrong, and then please try again. Okay, so I'll just yeah, we have got it. Okay, so see, if you look at this one, with this video discuss, okay, everything. Okay, then length code. So calculate the number of elements. Okay, so length code, if you see, is exactly matching our code, whatever we have written there. Okay, so it's exactly like interpreting. Okay, so string index, and then in the data, and then hyphen, okay, like greater than 0. Okay, so suppose if you want to learn what is string index, you can copy that, you can paste it in your chat as well. Okay, so that you don't have to like depend on any other like things. Okay, any other browser or any other thing. Okay, so even if you want more clarification on in addition to my explanation, you can you can ask down here. Okay, so similarly, if we have the we have vector. Okay, see directly I used the vector here. I assigned one. Okay, one of I took the first element from this vector by using string split. But here in this code, okay, so here in chatbot they have actually created a created one variable. Okay, split date. Okay, so data. Okay, so they have created a vector variable, and then after that they're introducing one new variable result where they're calculating, okay, the difference between the first and last. Okay, the first element and then zeroth element. Okay, from the vector. So that's so like A is doing. Okay, see, A is kind of reiterating our code from like its style. Okay, so by its style. Okay, so and then like after length function you can go to result or a normalize core function. Okay, so here you can see this code generates. Okay, like there is a sequence of numbers based on okay length. So maybe it's getting from my explanation. And then if you go here, okay, so in the normalize, if you see the normalize code, if you can notice here, it's straight away. Okay, so it's straight away it took the not string like. Okay, which I have used later in this video. Okay, first I tried with the length of okay, so to make this code efficient, I have just used not string like. Okay, so that YouTube has captured that, AI has captured, and then it has brought that straight away that code. Okay, so that will end up in the efficient code. So you don't have to worry on that use case coding. Okay, so try do try this, okay, in your tool. Okay, so and let me know. Okay, because sometimes AI it is is actually giving these values differently at different times. Okay, so please let me know whether whether I am getting the correct value or not. Okay, now, if you guys like try one or two times, are you getting proper value? Because I have tried this just one time now. Okay, so this is same thing. We have no, I have seen the same thing like when I tried previously. Okay, so just let me know if you are getting the same code. Okay, so okay, so you can even jump to the timestamp. Okay, so what wherever I have discussed, I'm discussing on that. So that's how like you can you don't have to depend on the document. You can directly copy the code from the AI. Okay, so please do do watch all the videos from our channel. Okay, so make sure you cover through all the playlists. Okay, so videos, and then don't miss anything. Okay, so if you want specific compound level, okay, videos, like you can go to the compound level list. Okay, in the playlist here, understand, try to understand like what each playlist. Okay, so dedupe and then normalize, reformat, everything. Okay, if you start with the reformat and then go to the roll up, scan, and then everything. Okay, so we have so many videos in the reformat, so try to cover that. Okay, so that's it for today. Maybe from Monday, like we'll just cover some topics. Okay, so I'll just see you guys in tomorrow. So until then, tata, bye bye.